7 Essential Tips for Becoming a Successful Social Media Consultant. Social media marketing consulting is a hot career. If you're thinking about becoming a social media consultant, here are 7 essential tips for success. Get up to date with the latest developments in social media. Staying informed about all of the new platforms, technologies, and trends is key to succeeding as a social media consultant. Familiarize yourself with the different types of content that work on each platform and stay ahead of any changes or updates to offer your clients the most up-to-date advice. Understand your target audience. Knowing your client's target audience and what kind of content they are looking for is essential when crafting a successful social media strategy. Identifying the right platforms, content types, and techniques that will effectively reach their desired audience is crucial. Stay organized. As a social media consultant, it is your job to manage and coordinate different clients' varying content needs. Staying organized and tracking multiple accounts will help you work more efficiently and ensure that all of your clients' goals are met on time. Take the initiative. Don't be afraid to offer ideas and strategies that could help your clients succeed in the social media world. Taking the industry shows that you are actively engaged in their project and adds value to your services. Build relationships. As a consultant, building solid relationships with your clients is important. Showing that you understand their needs and taking the time to ask questions will help build trust and lead to better results in your work. Measure progress. As with any strategy, it is important to measure its success and see what is working best for your client's social media campaign. Regularly evaluating metrics such as followers, engagement, and website traffic will help you adjust your strategy if necessary. Stay positive. Social media can be unpredictable, and things don't always go according to plan. As a consultant, it is essential to stay positive and remain focused on achieving your client's desired results despite any obstacles. Social media consulting companies are popping up all over the place, and there is a great need for experienced professionals. Following these 7 tips will help you become a successful social media consultant and get your career off to a flying start.